incision over there, you know. Make sure you leave all the blood vessels on there, because we're gonna need that. Oh shoot! God, I sprinkled myself. I wanna find a way of preserving this blood vessel. You see what I did? I've preserved it. Isn't that nice? You guys do the same, okay? Please, thank you. Because we're gonna use them for the circulatory system. You see, you could remove some of this fat on there, so this will be the mammary gland and stuff. So it will be here. So this one is probably wasn't pregnant. You skin around this. Sometimes they actually suture the skin onto that, so you may have to cut around it a little bit. But for the most part, these guys seem to do a better job of this. Oh my god. You see, here's that thing that twitches the skin that remained on this part. Do you see it? The muscle that twitches the skin? The one I'm peeling off a little bit. Gotta be careful though, because you don't want to peel real muscle with it. The muscle, not real muscle, but the muscle underneath, which is what we want with it. This is the latissimus dorsi right there. Do you see it? And there's some arteries right there that go to the skin. The head is the hardest part to cut, so it will be easier. Oh my god, she was like, he's coming. He's doing this, you know. It's like, stay where you are, will you? And she was like, wait, what's up? No, I wasn't gonna get you. I like you. Skin as much up as possible so we could see the clavotrapezius around the neck here. And then when you do that, then after you do that, you can cut. Skin as close to the ears as possible, you know. Wow, I've gone far. Where's my scissors? What time do I got right now? I've got 1 minute? Oh my god. You guys, I don't want to keep you a second longer. Well, I might keep you 2 seconds long, okay guys? I'm sorry. Do you see how I went all the way up to what's love got to do with it? Because I want to be able to see the neck muscles, you know. You know, I want to be under the mic, under the camera, you know. Steven Spielberg. You can't see? You wanna come closer? Don't worry, I won't splash you. I will not. Because she meowed, Tommy meowed, and I was like, wow, that sounded like a real cat. I was spooked. She got me. Okay, my good friends, do you see the cat? Ooh, look at that. It's all undressed right now. The way we're going to discover these muscles, my excellent friends, is from the back. The list is not by accident. We start with the shoulder and back muscles because that's how we're going to discover them. We're going to be starting specifically over here, okay, where you have this acromiotrapezius. Hold this, acromiotrapezius, and then we're going to get our little probe or forceps, and we're going to do that, and then we're going to make the incision from here to there. We're only going to cut connective tissue in this lab, okay? We do not cut muscle, okay? So if I see a straight cut on a muscle, that's points off for your dissection skills test, okay? So that's it. At least you know what gets your score down. So we'll cut from here to there, okay? And then we peel this backwards, we peel this, and we're gonna do one side. And when you do the one side, please choose away from this, okay? Because when you do the abdominal muscles, you don't want to be dealing with these sutures, okay? They look all nasty and stuff. So you want to do this side. So that means I will dissect one side. We want to leave one side intact so we can compare. We don't want to be cutting all over the place. We want to have a reference point, okay? So we leave this side intact and we dissect only this side, okay? That's it, my good friends. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Yes, we're just about done on time. Thank you. You put your cats back in that closet right behind the door where we got the cats where they were. Put them in the first two shelves or something. So you got your place where you put your cats, right? And you got the deck and everything. Thank you so much. So next week, get in, put your lab coats on, and get your cat set up with these large trays, which you'll find beside the closet, okay? That little shelf there. And then you just uh, uh, get your little tools, dissection instruments in here, in the middle drawers, okay? And then I can sort of remind you a little bit, and then we can start. Thank you, guys.